Eto na mga boss, kakapasok lang na balita. Grabe si Cayetano, tanggal na. Tumistigo na si Soto. Inilabas na ang hatol. Huli kasabwat ni Bato at BP Sara. Base sa impormasyong nakalap natin sa social media, mismong si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano nang nagsalita na may ibang kumakausap na sa ibang senador sa majority para tanggalin ulit siya sa pwesto. Nire-recruit na ang mga kasama niya. Pinapatagal daw kasi niya sa Senado ang impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Pinatakas niya pa sa Senado si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Halatang kakampi daw to ng DDS, hindi na siya patatagalin sa pwesto ng minority bloc. Kaya ito, sabay-sabay nating panoorin kung paano si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, grabe, tanggal na. Tumistigo na si dating Senate President Tito Soto. Inilabas na ang hatol. Huli kasabwat ni Senator Bato at Vice President Sara. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, baka pwedeng i-click nyo muna ang like, share, comment, subscribe at i-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell kung gusto nyo ng mga ganitong klase ng video para laging updated kayo sa mga susunod pa nating ibabalita. Kaya tara, panoorin na natin to.
Question mo na.
Wala na pong debate about contribution.
On our side, wala. On the majority side, wala. Hindi ko alam sa minority.
Pero
Diba? I'd like to consult them but I'll only see them on Monday. Medyo busy sila ngayon na trinatry kausapin yung mga membro namin na sumali ulit sa kanila eh.
So may coup attempts na naman, sir, against you naman ngayon, sir?
Suggest, ano naman, expected naman yun.
Who told you that, sir? From the majority?
Oo.
Na kinakausap nila, sir?
May invitations to talk, may pananakot, but dati na silang takot eh. So,
But your 13 is solid. But your 13 is solid.
you're always solid until you're not. But I believe in the 13, I believe in our cause.
Ay,
Sir, ilan yung kinakausap, sir? Ilan yung kinakausap?
Hindi ko pa nakakausap lahat kasi nag-iaya nga na mag-meeting ngayon. Sabi ko, magtrabaho muna tayo, magtawagan na lang tayo. Because nga, you know, that's the nature of, di ba dati kasi ano eh, you have 3 or 4 major newspapers, maybe 4 major news networks, then maraming tabloid, then maraming radyo. Ngayon kasi with SOCMED, anyone can say anything. Diba? And anyone can interpret anything that way. But yun nga ang challenge ko ngayon. Diba? Trabaho or mamulitika. Diba? So, my only choice is to do the work, then be completely honest with you. So, in an hour, I will be completely honest what happened kay Senator Bato and where the investigation with the PNP is. But uulitin ko lang ha, PNP, AFP, lahat, NBI, hindi tayo magkakalaban, we're one government. Diba? But we have to respect the judiciary, the same manner the executive, but also respect the legislative department. So in the same manner, kung may fake news, I expect them to address that immediately.
Sir, di ba nag-focus po ang majority bloc about sa impeachment? So, wala hong pang-uusbong, wala kayang surpresang susulpot na motion from the majority bloc para pag nagkundi na kayo sa impeachment court ay ipa-dismiss yung articles of impeachment?
So, you always talk in the realm of probabilities and possibilities. Okay? In a collegial body, there's always a possibility. Kahit sa minority. Kahit sabihin mong before the oath, hindi impartial lahat, merong gusto mag-dismiss, meron hindi, etc. No? So, I can only discuss with you my call. I cannot talk for everyone. I can tell you kung ano na pag-usapan, and everyone said we should have the trial, and there's no walang isa man nagsabing hindi mag-trial. So I can only answer myself. I will act in accordance with the rules. There always has to be legal grounds, and I will decide based on truth and evidence.
Sa 13, walang nagsabi na.
Sa 13, walang nagsabing ayaw mag-trial.
Magagampanan kaya ni Senator Bato? Magagampanan mo kaya ni Senator Bato ang pagiging Senator Judge ng walang panganib or risk na arrest?
I'll answer all questions, Senator Bato, mamaya, but quickly, I hope so. Hindi ko hawak yung attendance at yung ano eh, di ba? I hope ma-resolve ng korte. Kasi pag wala naman threat kay Senator Bato, gusto naman niya pumasok eh. Marami. That's normal. It's not, di ba? Parang pagsakay sa kotse ni Pia Cayetano yun, di man bawal eh.
Pero kung makausap from the minority bloc, from the minority.
Sir, kabilang ba dun sa...
Ang instructions ko
Kailan,
po,
sir? Kailan sir nagsimula yung...
this morning, nagyayang kwentuhan. So sabi ko naman dun sa kausap ko, sabihin mo puntahan ako, sumali sa amin.
Pero yung pagkausap ba, kasi yung nagsasabi sa inyong kinausap sila.
Yeah, I'll address that later. Basta expect that. I mean, magulat tayo kung wala, di ba?
Kayo rin po may kinakausap kayo na sumama sa inyo.
Sorry?
Kayo po may kinakausap din po.
Hindi. So far, lahat ng kausap ko was in public, yung tansyawan sa floor. Tapos yung kausap kong isa kanina na nagbigay siya ng 2 pangalan, 2 senador, na kaibigan ko pareho. So sinabi ko sa kanya, umuti ko na masabi tuloy yung pangalan. Sabi ko sa kanya, pakisabi, kung gusto nyo, sama ako. Tapos sumama na sila sa akin. Natawa lang siya.
Pagkausap sa mga kasama niyo, sir, ay para pumunta sa kanila sa kabilang bakod.
Hindi. Sila ang nagayang makipag-usap.
Yun nga, sir, yung from
Pero
minority
yun
lang.
nga, kaya kami hindi nakipag-usap last week kasi minsan may kasamang pananakot na we consider it naman fake news. May nagsasabi that ito ay gawa-gawa. So the accusations are all over. So in the same manner that the PNP, the AFP, mabilis sila mag-deny pag may fake news against the government, the administration, inaasahan ko na mabilis sila mag-deny na fake news against the Senate President, and against the integrity of the whole process. The investigation is ongoing at meron na aresto last night. Okay? Di lang namin nilalabas yung detalye because once you say 3-letter words, di ba? Once you say that it's a certain agency, may conclusion na kaagad ang tao na government o hindi. Kaya nga independent and let's not jump into conclusions, okay? So by the time I meet you later, it's about an hour, I'll meet muna the 150 top officials of the Senate. I will give you more details about that. I also ordered the Sergeant at Arms to go to the offices and check kung nandyan si Senator Bato o wala, and to give me a spot report dun sa reports na umalis ng 2:50 a.m. There are many questions there. I will answer all of it later.
But for
Okay?
now, can you
He will get back.
Diversionary tactics, sir, para paalisin si Senator Bato. Yung kasi
Oh, 100%. I mean, I can tell you honest to goodness, none of the senators who were here last night knew that was gonna happen. And the shots were fired from both sides. I mean, you have the videos, guys. And even before umalis si Sec. John Vic, may sa kabila daw may ano talaga. That's why I asked for access sa kabilang side ng building sa GSIS. But let me go to the articles of impeachment. That will be very transparent, no? So I'll sign before you a letter. I'll give you a copy, but of course, i-transmit ko muna. But I will read it to you. The Honorable Faustino Boji D. III, Speaker, House of Representatives, Batasan Hills, Quezon City. RE, Articles of Impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Your Honor, the Senate is in receipt of the resolution setting forth the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, including all annexes thereto, transmitted by the House of Representatives. Pursuant to Rule 1 of the Senate Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials, the Senate has taken proper order of the impeachment and shall immediately proceed to its consideration, consistent with its mandate under Article 11, Section 3 of the Constitution. The Secretariat has been directed to include the articles of impeachment in the calendar for ordinary business for referral to the impeachment court, which shall be convened on 18 May 2026, 3 p.m. or at the possible soonest time, absent any question on the rules and procedure related to the transmitted articles. The parties shall in due course be directed to appear before the Senate sitting as an impeachment court on a date to be determined subsequently. We trust the foregoing is in order. Thank you. Very truly yours, Alan Peter Cayetano, Senate President. Copy furnished the Honorable Zara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Republic of the Philippines. So we'll send this. Pagka-send, we'll give you a copy. Countersign. Someone countersign. SecGen siguro, countersign.
Pinapakagani
Pinapakita kayo ni Senate President Cayetano, ayun na mga dokumento saan ito na report
Before I send that, yung countersign namin, let me tell you a little bit more about the procedure, okay? So, sa Monday, nasa order of business yon. Ibibigay sa rules like any other. Yung majority leader, acting majority leader, kanyang i-represent, no? The likely scenario is we will organize muna the Senate, so may mga committees, take that up. From the majority side, kasi nag-focus kami kagabi, I don't see any amendments to the rules. So if there's going to be any, I'm not saying there will be, I want to be clear, I'm not accusing anyone of delays. I'm saying it won't come from the majority kasi nag-meeting kami kagabi. We are happy with the former rules. Kung ano yung good na rules kay sa mga dating na-impeach, good din sa amin ngayon. So, kaya lang, hindi ko matatanggal yung karapatan ng bawat senador na tumayo. Ang problema, madidelay kung babaguhin pa yung rules kasi ipapublish pa ulit yon. But from the majority, that's why sa letter, I just wanted to be safe. Sinabi ko doon on Monday or the soonest time or forthwith, no? If everyone agrees on the rule, I do not see any reason why hindi kami makapag-convene sa Monday. So ano mangyayari pag nag-convene? And then may motion to convene, ako muna mag-oath as presiding officer of the impeachment court and then yung 23 na senador. After that, our job is to issue the summons. Okay? And then from that time on, pag sumagot na, di ba, aandar na yung process. I'll brief you more about the process later on. And probably, kung hindi Monday mismo or Tuesday, we will have a caucus para yung calendar. So the biggest issue for me is the balancing between the legislative work given the mga crisis na humaharap. Kung maganda takbo na ekonomiya and we don't need any urgent legislation, pwedeng mag 90-95% sa impeachment court eh. Unless nga sabi ng mga senador, pwede pa rin, bilisan na lang. But you know, madaling yung sarili mo lang inasahan mo. Halimbawa, Alan, bilisan mo sa pagpunta ng Senate. Alan, bilisan mo yung sulat. That's under my control more or less, di ba? But when you say it's a trial, you cannot stop both sides from presenting the number of witnesses na gusto nilang sabihin. So, madaling sabihin, bilisan, at madaling sabihin, it will finish by this month or that month. But all of those will be approximations. Okay?
So,
Any question?
Convene po as impeachment court, yung talaga forthwith. Pero how about the trial proper?
When is the latest trial going to happen?
Once you convene and issue the summons, diretso na yun.
Pero yung trial proper is
yung forthwith, yung trial proper po ay after all the
Yeah,
procedures.
susundin mo lang yung number of days. So, walang delay yun. Kung ano na sa rules, kung ano na constitution, yun.
the trial proper maybe in June, sir, the trial proper? July?
I don't want to preempt the calendar. But if it's 15 days, so we will follow. Actually, what we're doing now, after the meeting, then seeing you, we're gonna make a draft calendar. So the calendar will not be based on anything that is discretionary. It will be based on objectivity. So kung nakalagay sa rules, ganitong number of days para sumagot, this number of days sumagot, then trial na kaagad.
So ano po ngayon ang sagot, SP, doon sa sinabi na yung pagpapalit ng liderato ng Senado ay para ma-block yung impeachment trial?
Again, I'm trying to get a united Senate. Unprecedented yung attack against the Senate. First, nung Monday na hinabol sa loob sa loob ng Senate ang isang senador, ginulpe ang isang member ng USAA, and then last night, the armed attack on the Senate, unprecedented yan. Diba? So, I'm trying to unite the Senate. The senators are people by just simply following the law. The Constitution, our rules, and what is right. Diba? So, sabi ko naman sa inyo lahat, dalawa lang libro ko, yung Bible, yung Constitution. Everything else, follows. Even the Constitution for me has to follow the Bible. Diba? Having said that, we will follow. So walang magiging delays. I can tell you anything now as you ask, diba, kailan yung trial. So if I have the trial July, August, then dinelay ko.
Offhand lang,
Diba?
SP. For you, yung trial po ba ay dapat araw-araw, Monday to Friday, or MWF? Offhand for you. What do you suggest?
Offhand, either Monday to Wednesday or Monday to Thursday. Definitely hindi hanggang Friday because you need a motion day, diba? So, and the question for me, the bigger question to me, is it Monday to Wednesday whole day,
Okay.
and then Thursday may committee hearings, or is it Monday to Thursday half day hearings, half day ano? So definitely mag-extend kami, diba? So kung dati nag-hearing ka either 9, 10 o'clock hanggang 2:45 or 3, and then 3 to 7 or 8 yung ano. Nagagawa naman namin sa budget yung magdamagan eh. But remember, I think mga 2 weeks yun eh, na magdamagan. So I don't think kaya naman yung magdamagan ng 2 months, di ba?
2 months.
I don't know eh. I don't know. It depends kasi kung ilan witnesses. It depends sa articles. That's why I don't want to speculate.
Pero SP yung convene sa Monday na talaga. Magko-convene na.
In my letter, we're bound by that. Sa caucus, agree kami lahat. There's no reason whatsoever to dilly-dally. Okay? Having said that, syempre, kung may nag-bring up na eto yung mga ganyan, etc., bukas na yan or whatever ganyan, baka magbotohan. But so far, yung aming 13, ang sinasabi, there's no reason why not to convene and take our oaths on Monday.
Just to be sure, you are asking the prosecution team to be here on Monday for the...
It's their option.
To what, sir? To report, sir, about the articles of
Hindi,
impeachment?
kasi yung tinignan ko yung dating precedents, the article itself is the presentation. Di ba? So, actually, they can or cannot be here. Kasi the articles, dahil yan naman yung, kumbaga yun yung asunto eh, yun yung charge sa'yo. So, ang process, yung summons, para sumagot naman yung kabila.
Who will read the articles of
Di ba, sa
impeachment?
convene?
Who will read the articles of impeachment? The prosecutor or kayo po sa Monday?
Sa Monday malamang yun yung ano yung pagbigay nga namin sa Madjo, pero the impeachment court has a life of its own, so depende sa mga motions na maganap doon sa impeachment court.
Ngayon kayo bilang Pilipino, ano ang masasabi nyo at reaksyon sa balitang ito? Mag-iwan kayo ng komento sa ibaba at atin niyang babasahin isa-isa.